This is a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. It has an 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Features include a sunroof, a keyless entry system, a CD player, fog lamps, a stability control system, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and cruise control. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Advantage Chevrolet Bolingbrook is located at 115 West South Frontage Road in Bolingbrook. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.